We have to have a closeness to Allah that when He plans something for you and me, even when it's painful, He doesn't do it for anything except love. He loves us more than we could ever love ourselves. He cares more for us than we can ever care for ourselves. He provides us more than we could ever provide for ourselves. When we forget that, guidance goes away. Allah says, وَمَن يُؤْمِن بِاللَّهِ يَهْدِي قَلْبَهُ. In Surah Al-Taghabun, on the same issue, whatever calamity strikes you, it comes from Allah, it came by Allah's permission, and whoever can have iman in Allah at that time. You have iman in Allah anyway, you believe in one God, but when you're in a difficulty, well, that's when you start questioning, why is Allah doing this, right? That's the time when Allah puts the words, وَمَن يُؤْمِن بِاللَّهِ. At that moment, when you can have the best impression of Allah and maintain your love and reliance and bond with Allah, that Allah has not let you go. He hasn't, what does He give you? يَهْدِي قَلْبَهُ. He guides this person's heart.
Subscribe for more videos.